This is our automated ETL process. Remember, all this automated ETL process is done through DevOps pipeline. For example, if you have a source, here I give an example of a SQL server. We actually ingest the data using stream sets and we store it on the MapR platform technology. That's our storage layer. And from there, all the governance has been done on the platform and also on the ETL workflow. And then from there, we actually use BI tools, for example, Tableau, to make visualization. And this is a completely automated process. So in terms of getting the data quality right, how do we do it? We build some data quality scripts that actually computes data quality metrics. The data quality metrics comes from our data quality framework, and there are about 6 to 8 metrics that is given in the DAMA DMBOK: timeliness, consistency, accuracy, reliability. We only report on 3 to 4 metrics, which is very important to the business. This script actually is invoked during the ETL pipeline itself, which means as soon as the ETL job runs, this script kicks in and computes all the metrics. We only perform the data quality metrics. We only compute data quality metrics on the columns and the rows, which will actually help you to build that metrics in a dashboard or in the data analytics reports. We also provide feedback to the data owners in terms of how to actually improvise the data quality. And at some point in time, if the business is not actually improving the data quality, we really want to understand why, which means we will go back to the business process itself on how the data gets generated and manipulated and gets stored. And we will write some kind of a script to actually automate the business process so that the data quality gets improved. We also do a lot of training with the data entry owners and especially the frontline and operations officers who actually capture the data. We found that 80% of the decisions can be made with 20% of the data sets, which is 80-20 rule. And we constantly focus on improving our data quality scripts. So this is a typical process. So as soon as the stream sets pipeline is kicked in, we invoke some Python scripts during the ETL process, and we compute all those data quality metrics, and we store it on the MapR platform, and then we provide visualization to the business owner to actually understand the data quality. And this data quality metrics is also passed on to the dashboards that people actually use for decision making so that they have confidence on what kind of data quality um, is. So in terms of audit process, so we want to make sure all the appropriate treatments are done on the proper data classification. If it's a PA information, all the controls are put in place, and this is auditable. We want to make sure that all the data actually sticks to the data standards and it complies with all our risk framework. More importantly, all the data from our platform is actually accessed via APIs only. This actually helps us to actually understand who actually access the data sets.